Greetings everyone. Today our topic is regarding the access specifiers and the methods. Access specifiers are nothing but in C++, access specifiers are helping to provide the visibility and control for the class members. Class members here are nothing but the data member and the member functions. They are going to provide some scope and the restrictions for the variables and the attributes and the functions that are present inside the class. There are three important types of access specifiers: public, private, and protected. As the name suggests, public is declared inside the class and the members and the member functions can be accessible throughout the program. Whereas in private, if a member or the function is provided inside the class, only that particular class instances will be able to access that particular member function and the class. And lastly, protected. This is a specifier which will be mainly used in the inheritance. It is somewhat similar to the private. We'll see two important questions in the access specifiers, that is how encapsulation can be achieved using the access specifier. We'll go to an online compiler. Here, these are the default things. Using namespace std class. Here we'll declare a sample class m. Okay, inside that we'll declare a private access specifier which is going to give a attribute salary. Here the salary will be a private one. So you need not provide access to everyone. Semicolon. After that, we'll go for public access specifier, and inside the public, we'll create a function declaring of salary. Inside that, we'll create a variable int s. Inside that function, we will give the salary to be yes. We'll close this function. After that, we'll go for another one function int that is going to provide or the display of salary. Here we will just return the salary. Okay, with this the class is over. We'll finish there and go for the main function. Where we will create the instances for the class m, simply call as e. This is the instance. This e will be able to access e dot. The declaration of salary can be called. Salary. We can simply give some values. 30,000. Close this. See out. We will now call the display of salary. I have given a file mistake. See out. That's it. Now the private can be accessed only by the class objects which is inside that particular class. This is over and return. Okay, we will run and we will be we'll go for another compiler. This is compiler. This okay, let us take this, copy and paste it there. We'll try to run that. We are getting an error. Expector in the line 20. Okay, here in the salary, I have to give a semicolon. Let us run. We are getting an answer as 30,000. So in this way, we will be able to provide encapsulation using this access specifier. Here, if we going for the second question, that is how inheritance concept can be implemented using this access specifier. I can create another one class. We can edit in this class emp is there. Instead of private, I have to go for protector. Okay, protector int salary. Once again, the same thing. We are going to close this class. We will create another class, bonus, as a derived class whose public class will be the same employee class. Inside that, I will create a public, and public will be I'll create int bonus. This it's similar, so we'll go for double S int bonus. We'll create that. Then void declaration of salary, that will be int S. Okay, and salary is equal to same thing. I'm going to provide a salary, return salary, fine. Then, okay, coming to the main function, int main, here instead of employee, I'm going to use the derived class to create the object. That will be creating an object, and e dot declaring the salary as 30,000. Now I have to go for once again calling the bonus, e dot bonus, that will be equal to some 10,000. Okay, I am creating the bonus here, fine. Then I have to print the salary. Providing the salary has to be given, cout e dot salary will be given. Then I have to go for printing cout. The bonus have to be printed. That will be e dot bonus. Yes. After the bonus is given, I can close that. So that's okay. Declaration of salary is given, e dot bonus, that is 10,000. Cout, I have given e dot the salary, that will be provided. Okay, returning, fine. Now let us run this and see. We have to debug this. getting once again in this we have an we minimize the debug the window size. Here once again I have to be able to copy. Okay. Control C. Let us run here. We are getting go for another compiler. Let us run. Okay, we are getting as 30,000. I didn't give the end line 30,000 and the bonus. So the protected class variables or the functions can be accessed using the derived class. So once again, going back to the PPT, these are the things happening in the access specifiers. Our next thing is regarding the methods. What are the methods? There are two important types of method that is happening. One thing, we can declare the methods inside the class, and another thing, you can declare the methods outside the class. Inside the class, what is the difference between, this is the last question, what is the difference between creating a function inside the class and the outside the class? When the function is created inside the class, it is somewhat similar, not somewhat, it is similar to a sort of inline function, which is helping to reduce the overhead. Whether if you are going, another thing, if you're going to go for the outside the class, that function has to be called using the scope resolution operator, and it is going to increase the complexity of the program. Thank you.